Hi, my name is Whitman from America, and I've been taking virtual voice lessons from Sela for about a month. She's helped me increase my range and power. So I'd meddled along for many years without proper training, but now I've really improved taking lessons with her. She showed me how to get rid of the tension in my neck and how it would increase the pleasantness of what I sing. And I've gotten a lot of exercises to improve certain skill sets, and I can better sustain long notes with power. She taught me how to phrase expressively and use better diction and dynamics. And studying various rock singers, that's been pretty fun and very helpful. So I still need work on my higher range, falsetto, and breath, but my improvements have come pretty quickly. I definitely recommend Sela for virtual voice lessons. Thanks.